Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce special head unit Android 8.0 oreo system head unit special for Fiat Tipo Egea 2015 to 2017 years. Okay, here is box. Let me open the box. And then you can check. Okay, this is a head unit. Let me introduce honey seat foot. You can check this special head unit for Fiat. The camera input. You can check this Egea power. Okay, this combat box. The remote controller. This decoder factory amplifier. GPS antenna. This is radio connector, antenna connector. Okay. Factory USB. Okay. This is camera input. This video input. And AUX left and right input. This is radio antenna. Two USB cable and external microphone. Okay. External microphone. This is audio cable, subwoofer. Okay, it's video out 1 and video out 2. This is audio cable front and rear left and right. Okay, let me show the head unit. Okay, it's drive agent. Okay, this is the head unit. You can check if the Okay, let me power 12 voltage. Okay. Please take out this screw protector. Before using. Okay, let me show. There is DVD slots with GPS card slots and SD card slot. Okay, this IR microphone power front button. Okay, you can check this Octa Core fast response. Let me check install wallpaper. Okay, installed. Okay, this is UI interface. Let me check the setting. You can check if model is PX5, Android version is 8.0 oreo. Okay, let me back to home. The head unit unfix the two screw. Please take out these two screw before install. You can check these two screw. Okay, thank you.